Today I'm demonstrating a dumbbell wall squat with stability ball. It's a great exercise that activates the glutes, hamstrings, quads, lower back, and also the core. So the first thing you need is a stability ball and a set of dumbbells, which I have set right behind me. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and go to the equipment. Now when doing this corrective exercise, it's really good because it's going to really help strengthen my weak points, which is usually going to be the hamstrings and also the glutes. So the first thing you want to do when getting ready for this exercise is go ahead, place the ball onto the wall, and then I want to place my back onto the mid portion of my back. Now, what I'm going to do first is go ahead and pick up the weight. So I want to use the ball as a guide so I can go ahead and pick it up. Now I have both dumbbells into my hands. What I'm going to do is go ahead and step forward. Have your feet about hip distance apart, roll the shoulders back. All right? Have the dumbbells right here to the side of your body, and then you want to go ahead and go down. You want to go all the way down to 90 degrees and then come back up. If you want to add in a little bit more resistance, go ahead and squeeze the glutes so you get more activation. So like I said before, this is a great corrective exercise that's really going to help guide and correct your squat form and pattern. Now, if you're doing your squats like this, you're moving forward into the squats while raising your heels up, then obviously you're doing the squat wrong. You're putting a lot of pressure into the toes,
a lot of pressure into the knees,
which you're going to create pain and injury into the future. So go ahead, do this exercise, and try it out. This is how you do a dumbbell wall squat with stability ball.